Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanjay Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, MLB Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Here I am going to discuss Module 3rd, Lecture number 13, Numerical based on cams. Here we have discussed profile of cam when line of stroke of follower passes through the axis of cam shaft. But that numerical discussed in last video, that is the video number 12, how to draw the cam profile when the knife edge follower passes through the axis passes through the center of cam, and its motion just like a simple harmonic motion. How to draw the profile of cam when line of stroke of follower is offset 20 mm from the axis of cam. It means that our follower is 20 mm away from the center of cam. How to draw the cam profile? Here we have followed total 8 steps how to draw the cam profile when follower is offset. We have taken a point O and take a radius 40 mm. Draw the circle. That circle is known as base circle of cam, and take a radius 20 mm and draw an inner circle, which radius is 20 mm, and draw a tangent line on that circle. Here I have shown by the dotted line, and that line cut at base circle at point A, and draw a knife edge follower diagram like that, and join O and A. After that, we know that by the question, out stroke is 90 degree, next dwell time is 30 degree, and next return stroke is 60 degree. So we have make an angle from OA anti-clockwise 90 degree and draw a line passes through S. Again we have take 30 degree from anti-clockwise, that is the 30 degree, and draw a line OR. Again we have draw the 60 degree for out return stroke, and that line passes through the point P, which lies on base circle. Again we have divide even equal number parts of out stroke and return stroke. Here we have divide total 6 number of parts, out stroke and return stroke, and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here O dash, 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. From A to S, that is the arc for out stroke, S to R, that is arc for dwell time, R to P is the arc for return stroke. From A to S, that is the arc for out stroke or rise stroke, and that are divided into even equal number parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and mark that points. Similarly, we have marked that points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. A dry line passes through 1 and tangent on the inner circle. and extend beyond the base circle that line. Similarly, we have draw the line passes through 2 and tangent on smallest circle. Similarly, we have draw line passes through 3, passes through 4, passes through 5, passes through 6. A similar procedure follow for out stroke. Line passes through O dash and tangent on inner circle or small circle. Again we have draw the line passes through 1 dash tangent on the small circle, and that line extended beyond the base circle. Here we know that the stroke length of knife edge follower is 40 mm. Then we have divided that length into 6 number of parts, 6 equal number of parts. Sorry, the stroke length again divide into even equal number parts, that will be 6. टोटल 6 नंबर में डिवाइड करेंगे इसे. अगेन वी हैव मार्क that points, that is the A, that will be B, small b, C, D, E, F, and we have take a equal distance. If total length is 40 mm, that 40 mm divided into equal parts. If that point is small a, next point will be small b, after next point will be small c. We know that A, B and O join each other and take a radius and draw a circle. Again take point C, join with O and draw a circle. Again point D takes D and join with O and draw a circle. Similar procedure follow on that. We can see that circle cut these lines at B, C, D, E, F, G. Similarly, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. That cutting points join each other. Draw a curve. That curve is the profile of the cam. I know that you will understand easily by this lecture. Thank you. Here in next slide we have discussed maximum velocity of follower during the rise and return, or outstroke and return stroke. N is given, that is the speed of cam is equal to 240 rpm. Omega is equal to 2 pi n divided upon 60. We have got 25.14 radian per second. Therefore, the velocity of outstroke is just equal to 2 times of velocity of outstroke. It means maximum velocity of outstroke is equal to 2 times of velocity of outstroke. That final value will be V naught is equal to pi omega multiply S divided upon theta naught. Pi, you know that pi 3.14, omega already given 25.14. Stroke length is 40 mm, that is converted into meter divided upon 100. Here 2 multiply theta naught angle of outstroke in 90 degree. Therefore, maximum speed of linear speed of outstroke is 1 meter per second. After that, maximum linear speed of the return stroke is equal to pi omega s in place of theta naught we have replaced by theta r. We have got the velocity of return stroke is higher than the out stroke, 1.51 meter per second. Maximum, here we have find the maximum acceleration of the follower during the ascent and descent. That value for follower during ascent and descent. Here we have find the acceleration for linear acceleration for follower. A naught is equal to pi square omega square into s divided upon 2 multiply theta naught का whole square. We have put that values and get 50.6 meter per second square. AR is equal to pi square omega square into s divided by 2 times theta r to the whole square. Here pi square 2 point, we know that omega is equal to 25.14 whole square multiplied by 0.04 divided upon 2 multiply 1.047 to the whole square. That value is the 113.8 meter per second square. Here we can see that velocity, linear velocity for return stroke and acceleration, maximum acceleration for return stroke is greater than the outer stroke.